Nakatakdang gawaran ng natatanging parangal ang 13 opisyal at guro ng Renaissance School of Science and Technology o RSST sa March 29, 2026 sa Okada, Manila sa lungsod ng Parañaque. Ang prestihiyosong parangal ay igagawad ng Global Guild of Influential Awards Incorporated, isang kinikilala at prestihiyosong organisasyon na nagpapakilala, nagbibigay parangal sa mga may impluwensya at taong may malawak na pananaw at kontribusyon sa iba't ibang larangan. Kabilang sa mga gagawaran ng parangal na nagsisilbing inspirasyon at dangal ng bayan ng Morong mula sa RSST ay sina Miss Cathy Gianco Cartis, founder-owner ng multiple organization at schools na gagawaran ng Global Awards of Excellence at as Outstanding Educational Mentor and Distinguished Academic Catalyst 2026. Dr. Nelson S. Gonzalez, School President, RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence for Lifelong Contribution and Academic Mentorship. Dr. Marite C. Vicente, College Dean, RSST, na nagkamit ng Global Awards of Excellence in School Governance and Academic Management. Miss Lovelyn Montealegre, educator ng RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence in Transformational Leadership in Education. Miss Florence J. Adriatico, educator RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence as Outstanding Educator and Curriculum Innovation Leader. Miss Marjeline Ann Bilugto, educator ng RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence for Strategic Leadership and Corporate Innovation. Dr. Ruli P. de los Poyos, educator ng RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Award of Excellence in Strategic Vision and Educational Leadership. Miss Lilibet A. Condes, educator ng RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence as Trainer and Educational Development Leader. Miss Veronica O. Raimundo, educator ng RSST, na gagawaran ng Global Awards of Excellence as Academic Administrator for Inclusive Pedagogy Leadership. Mr. Hiro Pagalunan Francisco, marketing ng RSST, na gagawaran ng Global Awards of Excellence in Media Communications and Public Influence 2026. Mr. Lance Alexis M. Francisco, educator ng RSST, na pagkakalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence for Dynamic Leadership and Organizational Growth. Mr. Reynaldo M. Lipio Jr., educator ng RSST, na gagawaran ng Awards of Excellence for Global Leadership and Educational Sector 2026. At Mr. John Ansel R. Baruel, educator ng RSST, na gagawaran ng Global Awards in System Management and Operational Strategy 2026. Sa kanyang FB post, sinabi ni Miss Cathy Gianco Cartis na hindi pa man nagpapasalamat na sila kay Dr. Simeon Castillo ng GGIAI at isang karangalan sa kanila ang mapahanay sa mga individual na kinikilala sa kanilang kontribusyon sa iba't ibang larangan. Felix Tambongco, The Observer News, DWRB 103.9 News FM. Ikaw ang una.